Hi there, you're welcome to Chris Graphics Tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how to increase the quality of your image from how to change your image from a poor quality to a high quality. So I found this website. Just come to Chrome and then I'm going to show you this website right here. So once you go to this website, I'm going to show you can really do that seamlessly. I've used this platform before. So let's enhance.io. Now I can just browse, just click browse. Once you click browse, this is going to help. If you're using your laptop or your phone, you can use this website. If you click browse, you're going to be able to go to your file or just click the file. Okay, just click that. Then I'm going to choose browse. Let's go to the gallery. So I'm going to pick an image from here. Now there's a particular image I used on the last video. That's the image of Pastel Craze, and it was so poor in quality, right? Maybe because of where I downloaded it from, right? So I'm going to enhance that image right now. This is, you can see, 17 kilobytes, and it's really poor. So I'm going to pick this image. This has 17 kilobytes. So after picking the image, you can see it's telling me, okay, do I want to enhance this? Okay, so I want to scale it up. So you can actually even remove the background from here. Okay, you can switch to presets to really optimize the quality for printing. All right, some of these possibilities might require maybe subscription, but at a very basic level, the free option does a very good job as well. So that's that. So let's just leave it. You can scale it, all right, whether you want it times 8, times 16, depending on what you want. So times 4, I think it should be reasonable enough for me. So now, if it's an old picture you want to turn to new one, you could change that from here. You can see that here. All right, so you can check out more models as well. So you can just explore the platform for yourself. So I'll just click enhance, and basically, it says I have insufficient credits on this particular account. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to create another account right now, and then I will do that immediately. All right, so after creating another account, you can see, so you could change that upscale enhance to, depending on what you want, you can change it to. You can see the information icon in front of them. You can just maybe click to read a little about that. You can see what they are seeing right here. So I've chosen ultra here. Okay, so upscale, ultra for portraits. I'm going to upscale. The scale is at 4 points, so I may not be able to do let's say 8 points. You can see, so this features is for paid customer, like I've told you before. So since it accepts times 4, like the quality is going to increase 4 times. Okay, for this, let's enhance and see. So I'm just going to click enhance, and it's really going to do the magic for you. You can see it's processing. Okay, so the quality of the image is, I've actually used the second account before, so I have 2 accounts with them, so you can create an account if you want. Now the video is not really sponsored by this platform, though, just showing you how valuable it can be. So I'm just going to click download, or let's see, you can click the 3 dots and the 3 dots up there, or you can just click download from here. So it's really downloading. So now it starts downloaded. All right, so now let's go to my gallery, and then we are going to check out the difference. So I'm really going to come back here, and now if you look at this downloaded image, all right, if you look at this is crazy. This is crazy. All right, now let me show you the quality. Look at, can you see? Now let me show you the old one. I mean, the one we increase the quality, you will see the difference. Okay, let's go there and see, so that you will notice, you will know that that was really crazy. Now this is it. Can you see this quality? Can you see what we have here? Look at what we have here. So blurry, but can you see this is the highest zoom point? I mean, yeah, this is the highest zoom point. It's really blurry, but if you check what we have here, it's just mind-blowing. Can you see the difference is just so clear? The difference is just so clear, and you will know that this platform really does a very nice job. Now, if this tutorial was very useful, if you learned something from this tutorial, please make sure you hit the like button, share this video to other people, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, so that you don't miss upcoming tutorials we'll be making here on this channel. So if you want to make designs and core images are sent to you, this is how you can increase the quality before you use your design. Make sure one of the ingredients of a good design is that you use high quality images, and if your clients doesn't do that or fail to do that, you can help your client and make your designs outstanding by using this trick and platform I've shown you. Alright, thank you very much for watching to the end. See you in the next one. Bye for now.